I can assure you, today is a great day in Berkeley County.
Good morning and welcome to Trident Technical College's Berkeley Campus groundbreaking. This is a long time coming, a really exciting moment for Trident Technical College.
With Charleston being one of the top 10 ports in the nation and the economic impact that transportation and logistics has on our local economy, the Berkeley Campus renovation is basically an asset for the Tri-County area.
We're excited about this project because it's years in the making. The community came together, lots of support from our donors and our special friends of the college, our area commission, community members, legislative and local leaders have all come together to create this vision for what our Berkeley campus is going to be in the future.
It creates opportunities that would not exist otherwise, and I'm just thankful we have a place like Trident Tech to be able to do their job to help all our families. This facility here will meet a need that is not being met right now. It's going to help provide educational opportunities in the transportation and logistics area that we know there is a need. So matching the need, that's what Trident Tech will do. We're going to provide the educational opportunities and transform some lives.
Berkeley County has become one of the largest counties in terms of economic development, in terms of companies moving into this county. So what a perfect opportunity for us to be growing this campus, to be redesigning it and rebuilding it and making it fit the needs for the future workforce.
We know that getting talent from elsewhere is just simply not sustainable, and growing your own talent is critical, and Trident Tech has proven that again and again. And now the conversion of Berkeley campus into a transportation and logistics facility. It's just remarkable work identifying what's important to the business community and bringing it to reality.
We talk a lot about the CDL and the mechanic programs, but there's a lot of other stuff going on here. More importantly for us is the STEM-related projects that really will help our industry as well as the community.
We'll have capacity from shifting from 1,000 students to 3,000 students. We'll add additional programs. The Truist Logistics and Transportation Center will allow us to expand our offerings in that field, which of course is high demand for this region. You're also going to see innovative spaces where we can bring community members, our K-12 partners, to get more students in and through higher education.
I think this groundbreaking for this global conversion of the Berkeley campus into a world-class, state-of-the-art training center is just really exciting. We can't wait to the fall of 2026, and we're looking forward to turning some dirt today to get it started.
The newly renovated Berkeley campus will be opening soon.